guys, Andre here with Jack of all trades. Today I'm going to spend some time cleaning up my truck and trailer, also skid steer and stump grinder. This is very important, guys. Whenever you're running your own business, you want to look, presentable. You don't want to show up in dirty clothes with dirty equipment. Always want to make sure you show up looking professional, because people value that a lot. If you're going to be showing up looking like, someone that doesn't care, dirty, all that, people are going to question your prices and you're not going to get what you deserve. You're most likely going to get lowballed. I'm telling you guys all of this because a lot of people care who they let in their house. They're not just going to let someone that looks like trash in their house, especially the high-end homes. People really looking for people that are professional, so they're willing to pay big bucks for the people to show up and, look professional and do a good job, obviously. The skid steer is dirty. I did a brush cutting job. It got really dirty. I kind of hit the stuff off the sides here, but as you can see, there is mud stuck in the tracks, so all that needs to get pressure washed. Everything needs to get re-greased on everything. So all this needs to get washed and looking clean again. You don't want to run it like this, because what happens is it's not going to perform as well, and it's also going to give you issues if you keep running it dirty. So I always clean mine after every use that gets real dirty. Obviously, if it doesn't get real dirty, I don't clean it. But same thing with the stump grinder. Very important to grease this head. My buddy has one and he doesn't grease it all the time, and guess what? He had to replace the bearing twice on it. He's at around 500 hours. As you can see, all this gets dirt, and especially here, like on the fittings and all that, you got to make sure you clean all that out so you can get fresh grease in there. I've only got 18 hours on this right now, and I got like 103 on that. Overall, these two machines right here, they're an awesome combo. They're very compact and they actually do a good job at working. Both of them can fit through a 36-inch gate, which is key. Big guys, they work a lot faster, more powerful, but they can't fit where I can fit. Only thing you got to remember is always grease them, because if you don't grease them, you're going to start going through bearings and all that, and then it's just going to suck because that's expensive. You can look at my trailer. Filthy. This truck right here has got 370,000 miles, but it runs super good. It's a 7.3 diesel, 1999. Look at all this mud on it, though. Today we're gonna fix that. We're gonna put tire shine, everything on it, make it look, presentable on the road. Because when you're driving around with advertisement, you want people to see you shine and, take pictures. They're not gonna take pictures of someone that looks like, dirty and all that, most likely. So all this from the landfill, but we're not getting a lot of rain right now anymore, so I'm gonna just wash it all off and start driving presentable. Filthy. I also need to clean the inside of the truck because I have a lot of dust in there, but I'm going to be using this Dewalt pressure washer, 3600 psi. Just going to connect the garden hose to it, and then I'm going to use a Griot's garage foam cannon, and it does a really good job. I'll show you guys how it does. But basically just shoots foam all over the truck and trailer and makes everything look shiny. Alright, now I'm gonna be proud driving this thing around. Yeah, it's an old truck, but if you clean it, put tire shine, still looks decent, guys. And I even put it on the spare. Like, look how good that looks. There's my machines. These don't get any tire shine, just kind of rinse off, scrub. Look at that engine bait now compared to before. What a difference. This is my 5.9. It's definitely a little neglected because AC doesn't work, ball tires, so I don't really use it as much. I do miss it. This is what I started with. I was hauling this thing for 1.5 years daily. Super solid truck, and now it's literally just like barely getting used. I can't wait to get new tires and stuff, and then I'll be able to use it more. And I need to fix that AC. Gotta figure that out. Alright, I just finished greasing everything up. I didn't record because I have a video on it. If you watch my Milwaukee M18 grease gun review, I show in there how I use it and stuff, and then you guys can see the greasing process. But I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.